Are Hubcentric wheel spacers safe for off-road?
Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are safe to use. They are attachments that go between the wheel and the hub, creating more distance between them. They can improve the look, performance, and stability of your vehicle. Especially when you drive off-road, choosing a good set of Land Rover Defender wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. The choice of spacer thickness is quite important. Larger wheels and wider tires means greater grip, which affect handling and stability. However, they will also take up more space in the fender well. As a minimum, you need Land Rover Defender wheel spacers that can prevent the larger wheels from rubbing against the suspension components.
BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so their custom wheel spacers can be completely within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. If you want to get this BONOSS Hubcentric wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.